Welcome to our channel Simple and Short. Today we will tell you how to use ChatGPT in various simple ways. Before that, please subscribe for future videos and hit the like button. Are you interested for making money by writing articles online? In this video, I will show you how you can use ChatGPT to help you create high-quality articles that can potentially earn you money online. And you don't need any skills to write articles. Why? Because when you interact with ChatGPT, you can ask questions or provide prompts using everyday language, and ChatGPT will help you to provide a relevant and informative response. You don't need to know any specific commands or programming languages to use ChatGPT effectively. What's up, guys? Welcome to SNS. If you want to make $100 or more per day, paid article writing websites are an excellent option, like WriterBay, iWriter, Text Broker, Constant Content. I will share with you the easiest way to write an article and make $100 per day using ChatGPT. I will be sharing with you the steps you need to follow to get started with writing articles. Step 1. Setting the topic. First, start by choosing a topic that you're interested in or knowledgeable about. If you're struggling to come up with topics to write about, you can provide ChatGPT with some information about your interests or your niche, and it can generate a list of potential topics for you to explore. Step 2. Conducting research. Next, use ChatGPT to help you research your chosen topic. Ask questions and provide prompts related to your subtopics, and ChatGPT will provide you with relevant information and sources to use in your article. This can save you time and effort in researching on your own. Step 3. Generating content. Once you have your research in hand, it's time to start writing your article. While using the AI-generated text as is not advisable, you can use it as a starting point or as inspiration for your writing. This can help you develop new ideas and perspectives that you might not have considered otherwise. Step 4. Editing and refining. After you've written your first draft, it's time to edit and refine your article. Use ChatGPT to help you identify areas that need improvement or revision. You can provide ChatGPT with specific prompts or questions related to your article, and it will provide you with feedback and suggestions for improvement. Here you can also use other tools like Grammarly, Quitext to refine your article. Step 5. Monetizing your article. Once you've written and refined your article, it's time to monetize it. You can do this in several ways, including through advertising, affiliate marketing, or submitting your article to websites or publications that pay for content. So, if you want to write great articles quickly and efficiently, open your browser, search for ChatGPT, and see how it can help you to start earning money by writing articles. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe for more.